Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Of the technical excellence and above all, the resilience of the people of Kaduna State, whose patience never faltered. Mr. President and Your Excellency, sir, by consenting to commission the hospital, you affirm our national resolve to reverse outbound medical tourism where billions of US dollars are lost to realize health-related sustainable development goals on Nigerian soil. May this institution heal bodies, inspire minds, and remind us all visionary ideas, though delayed, are never denied when leaders like our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and our dear Governor act on courage and continuity. Thank you, Mr. President. Your Excellency, this project is in line with your administration's renewed hope agenda, and the obvious major challenge of this project will be the need to have a constant and continuous electricity power supply. However, there is a low-hanging fruit. A 250 megawatt thermal power plant, which is almost 95% completed and has been abandoned for over 10 years. The associated 330, 132, 33 kV substations have all been completed. Billions of naira has been expended, but unfortunately, electricity is yet to be generated from this plant. It is in this regard that I am seizing this singular opportunity to request on behalf of His Excellency, our Governor, and the good people of Kaduna State, that Your Excellency graciously direct for the immediate completion of the project and transferring the plant to the Kaduna State government for utilization. Not only the hospital, but the new special agricultural processing zone, located only 20 kilometers from the power plant, of which you recently conducted the groundbreaking ceremony, will also benefit